today. If you didn't know, now you know. We got the Kith. We got the Marvel Kith pack. And this mother, bleep that out, is so big that it's hard to hold, so I'm gonna put it down. But I just gotta say, this is the best pack that came out, and it's collab. Collabs is running everything now. If it's not a collab, me personally, I don't want it. It has to be a collab for me to want it. And this collab was right up my street. I love collabs. Not only do I love collabs, I love comic books. I'm a nerd. I'm a cool nerd. Don't play with me. I'm a cool nerd. I got a comic book collection. I might show the comic book collection one day. I might not. You never know. This would have been a great time to bring them out, but I don't have them with me. Don't worry about that. But you see it. Marvel and Kith. I ain't get the first collab, but I said to myself, I'm gonna get every one of these. I'm gonna collect them like Infinity Stones. Right now I got 2, I need 3 more. And then when I get them all, that's gonna be 5. I hope you're doing your math at home. But let's get into it. Cause this, even just the box, let's get into the box. It says collector footwear. I think it say that. Yeah, collector footwear on the box. Battle Spectra. This is Spider-Man, you know. This is Venom, in case you've been under a rock. And what I didn't know, because I had them backwards earlier, they actually have where the shoes go. So yeah, now you know this is Spider-Man, this is Venom at the bottom. And they come in a hot wing bag. I don't know why they decided to put them in a bag like this. Because they could have just kept them in here without the bag. I'll probably go along without the bag. I don't really see the point of the bag. But yeah, it's like it reminds me of a hot wing bag. Like back in the day, we used to get these wings, put them in a bag, shake them up, put them in the oven. They come out, hot wings. Boom. Yes, sir. These are the Spider-Mans. Yes, the Spider-Mans. They come with extra shoestrings. That's red. I don't know where the other ones are. Blue, white, and they come with sail. I most likely might keep the sail in for a little bit. Might throw blue in, might throw red in. I don't know yet. I guess it depends on the fit, but they come ready to wear already. And I ain't gonna lie, I tried them on already. Comfortable. These are the GT-2160s. GT-2160s, they do have the gel technology in them. And they do have like a semi-hard plastic plate. I love them. If you want to run in these, you could. If you want to dress them up, you could. Work out, you know, wear them with pants. Whatever you want to do with these, you really could do. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Dress them up, dress them down, work out in them, whatever you want to do. The pack is my favorite, but this shoe, out of all 5 or 6 of them, is my favorite shoe. And I never said that about a black and white shoe. That is absolutely ridiculous. I don't believe in wearing black and white. I mean, red, white, and blue. Did I say black and white? I meant red, white, and blue. I don't wear red, white, and blue nowhere. So for me to say this is my favorite shoe is, I'm taking a step forward. Now I got a 4th of July shoe. I never had a 4th of July shoe. I had one when I was in like 6th grade, but that don't count. There was some Chuck Taylors that said All-Star all over that, but that's a long story. We don't have to talk about that. Now, the little small details of the shoe that I do like is they got Fag on the back, or Feig, Ronnie Feig. I've never been able to get any of his collabs. So this is a very exciting moment for me. I finally got one. And they also on the tongue say Kith. Another thing I've never been able to get it's a double collab. I've never been able to get neither one of them, and now I got both of them at one time. This, I feel like a kid right now. I'm dressed up as Spider-Man, the Amazing Spider-Man, and I got some shoes that I wanted, man. I got a collab, man. I've been wanting a collab from Kith for the longest, and Ronnie Fieg. It's crazy. But this is not it. This is a double whammy. This brought me back to the days where Jordan was releasing two pairs for $310. Now, don't get me wrong. I definitely overpaid. This is the Venom. I definitely overpaid for these. Let's get into the Venom. Now, I'm gonna be real with you. These are gonna get worn way more than the Spider-Mans. Do I like these more? Not even close, but I still love them. These two was a no-brainer. I had to get these. Then it was, I'm gonna knock off Magneto, and then Green Goblin, Silver Surfer is last place for me. But these were definitely second best. They're all black. They're all black with like a Carolina kind of blue to them. Multiple shoestrings. And I'm definitely, these are definitely going in. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Ooh, it's getting hot. Ooh. It's the same exact shoe, different colorway. They got the Fieg on the back, and they got the Kith on the tongue. Like I said, these are going to get more wears out of me because it's a black shoe. You can't go wrong with the black shoe. They got the hard plastic at the bottom. They got the gel. This gel is like squishy. I don't know. ASICS did their thing on these, bro. This is an amazing collab. I can't wait to put these on feet. I haven't tried these on. Another thing I had missed was the inside. The insides do have the character on them. I'm not pulling it out. I'm sorry. There's plenty of videos. This is a late review. There's plenty of videos to see the whatever that's called. I can't think of it right now. If you want to see that, go look at somebody else's video because I'm not pulling it out. Beautiful, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. These are amazing. Amazing. I love the shoes, don't get me wrong. Love the shoes. But now I have to show you my favorite part of the whole package. This is, without a shadow of a doubt, my favorite part of the whole pack. Now, if you didn't know, I collect comics. So the fact that I can buy some shoes, listen to me. The fact that I can buy some shoes and it comes with a full comic book, they won. If you ask me, I know they can't be sneaker of the year, but they definitely got collab of the year. It's too many to pick one for sneaker of the year, but they got collab of the year. I didn't even get a rare one, but I'm happy with this. It's not rare because of the color or whatever. I forgot how it go. I wish it was one of the like $10,000 ones, but it's not. Whatever, it doesn't really matter to me. I was gonna get it regardless. I didn't buy this for almost double for a money grab because I'm sure they're gonna check it anyway at GOAT or StockX and they're gonna pull the good ones out, give them for themselves. That's just how the game goes. I'm not stupid. But yeah, this is my favorite part of the whole pack. It's the comic book. That's probably gonna stay in the sleeve because I collect comic books. I'll probably show my comic book collection one day, not today. I don't know if I said that already. The sneaker of the year to me, and if not, lab of the year. They deserve some kind of award. It was so much thought put into it. You don't see Spider-Man logos nowhere on here. You don't see Venom logos nowhere on here. But you know, if you know, you know, the colorway. I would advise you to go get them, like I always do. And man, I'm so happy with this. I might sell all my shoes and just start over with this pack. This could be the beginning of a new era, the dawn of a new time. Who knows? I don't. Now I got a question. Which one, if you watch this whole video, which one do you prefer? I say Spider-Man. But that's up to you. I made my choice. Till next time, I'm sorry for taking so long. It won't happen again. Peace.